Very firstly, we will see this home tab inside our ribbon. So basically in the home tab, I am going to complete the font and the alignment part in this. For example, I have some data, I have some value inside this cell. For example, in this, I have my name, which is Rajat. And I just want to give this font some style because currently it is coming as by default, which is provided by Excel. Now I just want to increase the font size of this. So to do so, I just need to click on this, and for example I select 26. So this is how you can change the font size. Now I just want this font to be in center, so I click on this and click on this center. So by default it will be in center as respect to the all corners of this particular cell or the box. Okay, next I just want that I want to change the font style or the font family of this text. So I simply just click here and click on this. You can see now my font style is changed, but I choose to this. Now next I want to this text to be bold, so I click on this B button. As you can see, this has become the bold now. If I again click on this, it is same as before. I click on it is bold now. I also want this to be italic, so I click here on I button and it is italic now. Again I click, it became the normal as it was before. Again I click on this B. Now I want the underline below this text. To do so, drag here and click select underline. You can see we have one underline inside under this text. Now next I just want double underline. You click on this double underline. You have these double underline below this text. Okay. Next I want to change the background color of this particular text which I have written here. I again click here, it will be deselect. Now I click here and by choosing this option fill color, as we have added in our access toolbar also, but by default whatever the color is selected here, that color will be affected in the background of this particular cell. For example, I click here, it will become yellow color, but you want different color to be there in background. To click here and for example select any color which you want. For example, I select this one. You can select the background color as well as, for example, I want this font to be in different color. Suppose I click here, it would be in red color, or similar way you can also select the different font color from here. Now next you can see this cell is coming good, but I just want to make it more attractive. Want this cell to be in border. All borders should be there in this. I click here, I click on this border button. You can drag here and select the all borders. When I select on all borders, you can see now we have border. So similar way you can try, or for example you want only bottom border, top border, left border, right border. You can try as a practice by yourself, and outside border and all thickness outside. If I click on this, you can see little bold border. I click here and click here again. You can see this time this border is little increased in size, or you can say the bold in size. So yeah, definitely you can try all these options which are given. I want to remove this border again. Click here, drop down of this border drop down, and you can select no border from here. When you select it, it became as it was before. So these are some basic understanding and options about the font in the Excel. Now next, for example, I have this cell, but I have some large value, or you can say the long value in this particular cell. When I click anywhere, you can see this value is going away or beyond this particular cell range. For example, this is the cell only, this is the box particular, but this text is going beyond. I want this text to be in this cell only, not outside of this. So to do so, just click on wrap text. When you click on this wrap text, you can see this complete text came inside this cell. Similar way, you want this text to be in center, just click here, or you just want next, these are the 3 or 4 or 5 cells, you want to use these all cells as a one cell. means you just want to merge all these together. To do so, you just need to select all the at a time and click on this merge and center. When you click on this complete cell became one cell. When I click on this and give you this background, you will understand this has become now only one cell, which is good in size. For example, I give it a border, you can see the difference, it has become the one cell only. Similar way, there are many options. For example, I select multiple cells here and merge and center them. You can see this has become the one cell only, but I want the row wise merging like above. To do so, I click here and merge across. When I click on merge across, you can see the all have been merged with the different rows only. Okay, so you can utilize this option, wrap text, font and many things here by using these two. Just practice them. It would give you the confidence and idea about how this font style and these all two options work in Excel. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.